Congratulations on your new 4014C Cyclone. Guys, I'm going to walk you around and show you a couple of the basics on your new camper. So we're going to start up in front here, up by your front auto leveling system. This is a control panel. To activate and turn on this control panel, you simply push these at the same time. You'll see the little green light comes on. That activates a keypad and offers power to it. This actually turns on your front lights. This, to auto level the camper, you simply push auto level, hit hitch height to adjust the hitch height. So real straightforward there. Your generator. This is where we turn the power on for the main coach. You notice you have two battery disconnects right there. You have to be on green to be turned on. You simply rotate, that shuts them off. That turns them on. This is your inverter system, your hydraulic leveling fluid for that. I'm gonna walk you around the outside of camper. You've got a propane tank on either side. They're behind these doors. Righty-tighty shuts off the tank, lefty-loosey opens the tank. There's an auto changeover valve located in the other tank. We're gonna bring you over and show you that here in just a second. This is your docking center. Cable hookups at the top. Your city water connection, or to fill your tank, or to winterize your system, right below that. As we go in here, you'll notice the switch over here. That's for your pump system. That simply just turns on the water pump from the outside if you want to operate your hot and cold shower. These are flush valves. This flushes your black tank, so your waste tank. Little quick connect for that exterior shower. This is your hot water heater. On this, there's really nothing we do from the outside with this hot water heater. I'm going to show you what this looks like because there's a 7/8" socket. Will remove that plug, which will allow you to drain it. You simply pull this. That just lets you know that water was run through your hot water heater. This is your furnace, your exhaust. Keep the little ones away from that. In here, we have your remote valves. These remote valves are designed so that you can open up the tanks and release the sewage and the waste from underneath. Your connection is located underneath the slide there. Right here, you have low points in this system. Those low points are designed to drain your fresh water tank. We're going to continue walking around the outside here. You do want to make sure after a couple hundred miles, you do check the lug nuts on your tires to make sure that they don't become loose, because that can happen after a period of time. This is for your tanks and back. Your remote cable valves are located in here. This is to flush your rear tank. And again, your connection for the back. Behind here, this is where you fill your fuel system. You've got two tanks, an onboard dispensing nozzle, which does get activated and turned on by that back there. You do get a 25-foot 50-amp power cord. We do give you the adapters to convert from 50 amp to 30 amp, to convert down to 115 as well. Here's your exterior ladder. Simply pull those pins, swing forward, and the ladder will deploy. It's rated at approximately 250-pound capabilities. Your rear tailgate for your patio system, you simply pull these out, swing them around. The patio goes to a horizontal position. When it goes into a horizontal position, that just means the patio is suspended in a level position. When you don't have the cables attached, it will go all the way to the ground. Right down here is where we keep your stairs. Just gonna walk you around the outside of the camper. Your spare tire is located underneath here. All you simply have to do is unlock that to deploy that. There's an additional low point right next to that, and a quick connect for your gas. This is your new 3-burner stove. It is a griddle and a grill. Your sewer hose and adapter, as I mentioned. Basement storage. This is your bypass, which simply activates the bypass in the hot water here, so water won't go into your hot water here. When you first want to open up your slide outs, you'll want to use this button. This will open up the side slide here and allow you to slide that out to get into the rest of the camper. Okay, this is the other propane tank I mentioned. That is your auto changeover valve for your propane. When it's green, it simply means propane's flowing through the line. Whichever direction this arrow is pointed is the tank that it's drawing off of. Once again, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey to open up the tanks, and you have dual 30-pound tanks. All right, let's walk you inside and show you some of the basics of this camper. This camper does have an upgraded Canadian Arctic package, which means it has additional heating pads on the tanks and lines. They already have our air conditioners running for us. Kind of show you where that's all controlled from. The air conditioners are controlled from this. We have one in each one of the bedrooms. We simply push that once to power it on. The little snowflake indicates that it is air conditioning. We push it again, it will go to furnace, which is the little flames there, adjust the temperature up and down. Push again, shuts it off, and that'll kick it back on for us. You guys, this is our docking station. This is where the additional heating pads for our tank system for our cold weather package is located. You're seeing that the solar panel that's located on the roof is throwing out a constant charge there. That's just to indicate to you that that is functioning properly. This button up here does control your slide out to get that to slide out. Overhead light switches. This is our monitoring system. This can slide out everything from our bedroom slides, our overhead lights. You can see all those controls right there. You simply push each one of those, and then there'll be a plus which allows it to slide out, a minus which retracts it, and a simple home button to get back to your home position. This is your power management system. You do have 3 different air conditioners that can all be run at one time. So you just can select through there. Your JBL sound system, simply powered up by pushing there. You do have AB selectors for the speakers. To power on your fireplace, simply hit the power button. You'll notice kicks on, this adjusts temperature. If you want to adjust flame color, you can adjust the flame color. If you want to put it on a timer, you can put it on a timer. Your keys are located around your faucet. You do have a 110 refrigerator, which does have its own inverter system. Controls are located right up above there. Your stove, that turns on the backlight for the stove. When you want to, this is a spark igniter. See? It auto ignites your stove. Standard microwave, I think you probably know how to use that. This opens up the vent above you and turns on the fan. Notice the little sticker that says ground fault? That means they are protected by a breaker, so if one of your outlets is not working, you do want to check the breaker on the outlets around you to make sure that it doesn't just need to be reset. So your ladder for your loft system up there. I'm going to walk you back here. This allows you to power the beds up and down. When you want to power the beds up and down, if you want the top bed to come down, you need to pull all 4 pins and all 4 corners. Turns on the interior lighting. These are what are called ram airs. They force fresh air into the camper. You simply squeeze those and push in. That allows the fresh air into the camper. There's your 25-foot 50-amp power cord, your ladder. And there's your 3 air conditioners, your thermostat for that. Turn on some lights. This is one of the ground fault plugs, as I mentioned. You simply push this in the center to reset it. You guys, I hope you enjoy your new RV. We do appreciate your business. Please let me know if you have any additional questions. You can reach me on my cell phone number at 231-740-6225. Thank you and have a great day.